What is up, guys? Crypto Goblin here, and I've got here the Cardsmith Currency Trading Cards Series 5 Mega Box, freshly sealed from Best Buy, and I'm going to crack this thing open and see what we get. Now we are hunting the refractor cards, of course, as well as the cryptocurrency redemption cards. And then just anything else. I mean, they're all cool cards that I want to collect, so I'm excited to crack this thing open and see what we get. Alright. So we have here 8 packs. Nice. I'm excited. Alright, let's let's get right into this thing. See what we get. I'm used to cracking Magic the Gathering packs, so a little different. So we have here a options card, Keith Gill, looks like a Roman Argentus foil, Galleon San Jose, and Elon Musk. Pack 1. Pack 2. We got an Alexander Hamilton. We got a Satoshi Nakamoto. Pretty sweet. We got Manga. We got a Joan of Arc. And I'm not even going to try to butcher this name. So far we got some, these were our, I believe this is the Crystal Sparkle foil. Could be wrong. And I believe this is the hollow foil. Could be wrong. Let's crack the next pack. All right, we got Henry Ford. Another, oh no, this is George Washington. Looks similar to the Alexander Hamilton. We got a George Washington. Ooh, what's this? Ross Ulbricht. I always don't know how to say his last name. Alright. What's this? Satoshi Nakamoto. And I believe, yeah, that's a foil. And an Alan Greenspan. So these are just kind of our base cards we got, I guess. And then we got our foils. All right. No redemptions, nothing crazy yet. That's okay. It might still come. Because I will say this, the other night I cracked a space pack, currency space edition, and pulled a redemption card. So they are out there. We got a hodl. We got a bubble. Okay, this one, this is Pringled. Yes. We got a serialized. You know, it's when it's Pringled, you get that serialized. Robin Hood 85 out of 299. But you can see the, because I have another serialized card and they are Pringled, but that's dope. And then we got a foil options. I just messed the corner up. It's okay. And Katanga Cross. So that's dope. Robin Hood, 85 of 299. So that is pretty cool. But yeah, if you can't see the Pringle, I'll have to figure out a way to show you. Let's crack the next pack. And if we see, that's the way you know, if you see that Pringle, you know you got something good. We got a Tesla. Looks like a Mark Zuckerberg. Looks like this one again. I'm not gonna butcher the name. We got a diamond for our MTG fans. Okay. That's pretty dope. I've always wanted one of these. I'm not sure. I don't know if these are like rare base cards. I'm gonna put it off to the side. And we got a Michael Saylor. I'm pretty happy so far. Let's see. This one was a foil, so we'll put it off to the side here. I think that was all our foils so far. All right, we got 3 packs left. We need that 3-pack. Good luck. I'm happy though. I got serialized. No Pringle. We got Zimbabwe $100 trillion. We got an Ethereum. This is cool. Airdrop. This one almost feels different than the others. Anyway. And we got a Cassacious coins and a flowing hair dollar. All right. 2 more packs. Come on. 2 more packs. Like I said, I'm happy though. I'm happy. Pulled something cool. Alright, we got a Genesis block. Sapphire. Ethereum, the Dynasty Collection, and soccer. So, last pack. Here we go. All this made me do was want to buy another box, but that's okay. All right. Win Lambo. I like this one. FOMO. All right, we got the Satoshi Nakamoto foil. I like this card. It's cool. We got a Litecoin. And we got a alternate investment. So, pretty sweet. Definitely want more, but I'm happy with what I got. This is a cool card just because I'm into Magic, so seeing this is pretty sweet. And then we got this number 85 of 299 Robin Hood. Pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this, please subscribe, drop a comment if you got any of these cards. Let me know what you pulled. Thanks for watching.